Allison. Take a rocket. Okay, ready? Hands by your toes. Shoot those feet out. Tummy down. Tummy up. Yep. Dig it in, that's right. So you got it. Rocket! Woo! Oh my goodness. Come back from outer space, please. Okay, and then we're gonna run and give that guy a high five. Gentle high five. Go. High five. Okay, this time we're gonna do it all the way through, but this time we're gonna do it all the way through with no tapping your nose. Are you ready, Freddie? I can't hear you. What? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, you ready? This one's gonna be the jumping jack. You ready? Set. Go. X. Pencil. X. Pencil. Good job. Okay, turn into a bear. Start right here on this line. And we'll do a bear crawl.
Good job, guys.
Good work. Hop, 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 hop. Good work.
Hey, we're frogs.
Okay, here. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Lily pads. Ready? Winnie, Winnie, we're back into your burpees, girl. Rocket. Good work. You got the fast thing, huh? Good.
Bear crawl.
Good work. Two more. Ready?
Want to go do burpees?
Ready? Two more. Rocket.
Rockets, guys.
Rocket. Can you give him a high five just like Queenie did the first time?
High five, high five, high five.
High five. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. You ready? What's over this way? What do we do here?
Let's go, we gotta go back. We gotta do the pencil
Look
jumps
at those
again.
great jumping jacks.
Pencil
Jordan.
jumps.
They hurt. Oh. We'll turn into a bear then. Let's use 4 legs this time. Ready?
All right, let's go be bears again. Hands on the sidewalk.
Okay, ribbit. Jordan turned us all into frogs.
Faster.
Good job, you guys.
Ready?
All the circles again.
Those feet out.
Good.
Tummy to the ground.
High five.
Tummy up.
All the circles.
Rocket.
All that circle.
Let's go. I hear hard breathing. That must mean you're working hard. One more, Queenie. Ready? Big one. Good. Rocket up to Mars. Ready? Oh, man. Let's try. Give him a high five.
High five, high five, high five.
Let's do all those one more time. Wait, hold on.
Quick, you gotta do the jumping jacks.
Pencil jumps.
Go for it.
Good job, Kaika. Those are good ones. Okay, Dash, lead us. Are you going to be a bear? Start at the blue line. Yeah. That's right. Hop, 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 hop. You're like frogs. Don't eat any flies. Okay, ready?
You say ribbit when you do it. Ribbit.
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Yeah, so what do you think of John?
Good job, ready? Ribbit. And as soon as we go and give the little green guy a high five, we're done.
After we do these, don't skip out on the burpees.
Okay, one more, ready?
Up downs. That's what you can call these.
Good, that's a good one.
Up downs.
Ready, high fives, we're done! Woo!
I got on video.